Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with another gorgeous eye makeup tutorial, and for today's look I have created this brown and this copper glittery double cut crease eye look. I think this is a perfect look for any bride out there, and this will go perfectly with any outfit that you will be wearing on your big day. And I have hooded eyes, so along the way I will be sharing with you so many tips and tricks to achieve perfect cut crease in case you have hooded eyes. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Nita. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's get started. So first, I'm just priming my eyelids using my NYX Cosmetics Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer, and this is in the shade Soft Beige. And I have already done my brows off camera. I shared with you my updated eyebrow routine, and I will mention the link in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. I'm just blending out the concealer using a damp beauty sponge. This particular sponge is from Wet n Wild. You can use any eyeshadow primer that you have in your collection. A concealer just works perfectly for me. With a little bit of loose powder, I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. I'm applying a little bit of sticky tape to have that perfect edge. For my eyes, first I'm taking this particular shade called 1988, and this is my Anastasia Amrezi palette, and with this Morphe JS15 brush I'm applying it as my crease shade. Since I have hooded eyes, I am placing the color a little bit higher. You can see my natural crease right across my eyelid. So I am creating a false crease for me. That will give my eyes a very nice lifted and open and wide effect. And taking little by little product, I am just blending it out so that it does not become patchy. I know it's looking a little bit harsh right now, but trust me, it will all be perfect soon. Now I'm taking this brown shade called OG from the palette, and I am blending out the edges so that there is a smooth gradient effect. And the brush that I'm using is from Elf Cosmetics. This is their blending brush. You guys have been asking me to do a brush, like beginner's brush guide video. That video is coming up pretty soon, so please stay tuned for that. Now with the same concealer, I'm just cutting my crease, and the brush that I'm using is again from Puna Store. This is the lip brush, and you can see I'm placing the concealer a little bit higher, and I'm just winging it out in the outer V area, just like that. This step is quite self-explanatory. You can totally see what I'm doing here. Now I'm just reapplying the concealer once again, and this step is like you can clear your eyelid and reapply the concealer again, but that is like too much hassle, so I'm just reapplying the concealer. It just works perfectly for me. Then I'm taking this dark cool toned brown shade called Yugo, and I am applying it right here on my outer V area, and I'm creating a negative space on my outer V area, you can see. And the brush that I'm using is from Puna Store again, and this is an angled eyeliner brush, and here I'm applying it like a wing. I'm sure with a little bit of practice you can totally achieve this eye look. Now with the same color, I'm just filling up that negative space that I created. Not that negative space actually, my outer V area, I'm really sorry. So I'm applying the color on my outer V area. Now I'm taking 1988 again, and I am applying it on the border of the previous shade, and I'm just creating a gradient effect from a darker shade to a lighter shade. And the brush that I'm using is again from Morphe. I'm just slowly dusting it because I do not want any kind of patchiness. I'm taking this is I think the shade called Georgina, and this is a beautiful cool toned bronze shade, and with this flat shader brush again from Morphe, this is a synthetic brush, I'm applying it all over on my eyelid. This is a beautiful like shimmer shadow, but it's not like too shimmery, if that makes sense. Now there is a pressed glitter in this palette called Lit. Taking that pressed glitter, I'm applying it all over on my eyelid, and I feel like applying a little bit of glitter just changes the entire look. Now with the shade 1988, which was the dark brown shade, I'm just applying it on the border of the cut crease just to make it look even prominent. If I'm not using any glitter eyeliner on my cut crease, I always make sure to use to follow this step, because it just makes such a big difference. You can totally see. For my waterline, I'm using a brown eyeliner. This one is from Jordana. This is in the shade Brown Sweat. You can use a black eyeliner if you want to, but I just wanted to make it look a little more cohesive. That's why I'm using a brown eyeliner. Taking the dark brown shade that I applied on my outer V area, I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line, and the brush that I'm using is from Pune store. This is an angled brush, and I am making my outer V area a little more smoky, because that way my eyes will look bigger. And taking the transition shade, I'm just applying it on the border of the previous shade. I am highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter. I'm curling my natural lashes with my Vega eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. For my falsies, I'm using these Kiss lashes in this style Gala. These are my favorite lashes, and here is the final eye look. I truly loved how the entire look came together. It is so glam, so festive, and it is wearable at the same time. If you plan to recreate any of my looks, then feel free to tag me on Instagram, and if you have any video requests, then feel free to comment down below. I read each comment and I reply back, so make sure to leave your comment if you have any question. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. So yes, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care. Mwah. Bye.